Chapter 10: Intelligence and AI Approaches. Learning Objectives. Understand the concept of intelligence. Identify types of intelligence. Explore Gardner's multiple intelligences. Define artificial intelligence (AI). Differentiate between narrow AI and general AI. Learn AI applications and approaches. What is intelligence? Intelligence is a combination of various cognitive abilities such as reasoning, problem-solving, and learning. It helps humans to adapt to their environment, make decisions, and solve complex problems. Types of intelligence. Humans possess a variety of intelligences, each representing different ways of processing information. Howard Gardner, a well-known psychologist, proposed the theory of multiple intelligences, suggesting that individuals have different kinds of intellectual strengths. Did you know? Intelligence is not limited to humans. Animals also exhibit forms of intelligence, such as learning from experience and solving problems. Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences. According to Howard Gardner, intelligence is not a single general ability, but a combination of various distinct types. He identified 8 types of intelligence, each representing different ways of processing information. 1. Linguistic intelligence. This type of intelligence involves the ability to understand and use language effectively. People with high linguistic intelligence are good at reading, writing, and speaking. They excel in activities such as storytelling, debating, and learning new languages. Examples: writers, poets, lawyers, and speakers. 2. Logical mathematical intelligence. Logical mathematical intelligence is the capacity to understand logical reasoning and problem-solving in mathematics and science. Individuals with this intelligence are skilled at analyzing problems, performing mathematical operations, and conducting scientific investigations. Examples: scientists, mathematicians, engineers, and accountants. Did you know? Albert Einstein is an example of a person with high logical mathematical intelligence. 3. Spatial intelligence. Spatial intelligence is the ability to visualize and manipulate objects and spaces. People with strong spatial intelligence have a good sense of direction and are adept at visualizing things in 3 dimensions. Examples: architects, artists, graphic designers, and pilots. 4. Bodily kinesthetic intelligence. This intelligence involves the use of one's physical body to solve problems or create products. People with high bodily kinesthetic intelligence excel in physical activities such as sports, dance, and acting. Examples: athletes, dancers, surgeons, and craftsmen. 5. Musical intelligence. Musical intelligence is the capacity to recognize and create musical pitches, tones, and rhythms. Individuals with high musical intelligence have a strong understanding of music and are often skilled musicians or composers. Examples: musicians, composers, conductors, and singers. 6. Interpersonal intelligence. Interpersonal intelligence is the ability to understand and interact effectively with others. People with this intelligence are good at communicating, empathizing, and building relationships. Examples: teachers, psychologists, salespeople and politicians. 7. Interpersonal intelligence. Interpersonal intelligence is the capacity for self-awareness and self-reflection. It involves understanding one's own emotions, motivations, and inner thoughts. Individuals with high interpersonal intelligence are often introspective and insightful. Examples: philosophers and writers. 8. Naturalistic intelligence. Naturalistic intelligence involves the ability to recognize and categorize plants, animals, and other elements in nature. People with this intelligence have a strong affinity for the natural world and are often keen observers of their environment. Examples: biologists, environmentalists, farmers and gardeners. Artificial intelligence (AI). Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. These tasks include understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. AI can be broadly classified into two categories: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform a specific task, such as facial recognition or language translation. General AI can perform any intellectual task that a human can do. As of now, we have only achieved narrow AI. Tidbit: the term artificial intelligence was first coined by John McCarthy in 1956 during the Dartmouth Conference. Applications of AI. AI is widely used in various fields, such as healthcare, finance, education, and entertainment. In healthcare, AI can help in diagnosing diseases and recommending treatments. In finance, it can assist in fraud detection and risk management. AI also plays a crucial role in personalized learning and adaptive learning systems in education. AI models and approaches. Artificial intelligence can be implemented using various models and approaches, each designed to mimic different aspects of human cognition. These models can be broadly categorized into machine learning, deep learning, expert systems, and natural language processing (NLP). Natural language processing (NLP). Natural language processing is a branch of AI that deals with the interaction between computers and human language. NLP enables machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language in a way that is both meaningful and useful. Applications of NLP. Language translation, translating text from one language to another. Sentiment analysis, determining the sentiment behind a piece of text, such as a product review. Chatbots, providing customer service by understanding and responding to user queries. Example: virtual assistants like Siri and Google Assistant use NLP to understand voice commands and respond accordingly. AI approaches. AI systems can be designed using various methods. Two primary approaches are rule-based approach and learning-based approach. AI approach, rule-based approach, learning-based approach. 1. Rule-based approach. The rule-based approach is one of the earliest methods in artificial intelligence. It involves using a set of if-then rules to make decisions or solve problems. These rules are predefined by experts and are based on logical reasoning. Key features: knowledge base contains rules and facts about a specific domain. Inference engine applies the rules to the facts in the knowledge base to derive conclusions or make decisions. Deterministic, the outcome is predictable as it strictly follows the predefined rules. Example: a simple expert system for medical diagnosis might have a rule like, if the patient has a fever and cough, then the patient might have the flu. Advantages: easy to understand and implement, good for well-defined problems with clear rules. Disadvantages: limited to the knowledge encoded in the rules, not adaptable to new situations or knowledge. 2. Learning-based approach. The learning-based approach relies on data to learn patterns and make decisions. This approach includes machine learning and deep learning methods. Instead of being explicitly programmed with rules, the system learns from data and improves its performance over time. Key features: data-driven, the system learns from examples and data. Adaptive, can improve and adapt new data or environments. Probabilistic, the outcomes are often based on probabilities rather than deterministic rules. Types of learning-based approaches. Supervised learning, the model is trained on labeled data. Unsupervised learning, the model finds patterns in unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning, the model learns through rewards and penalties based on actions. Example: a spam email filter learns to identify spam by analyzing a large number of emails and recognizing patterns associated with spam. Advantages: can handle complex and dynamic problems, capable of improving over time with more data. Disadvantages: requires large amounts of data and computational resources, can be a black box, making it difficult to understand how decisions are made. Chapter Essentials. Intelligence includes cognitive abilities like reasoning and learning. Multiple intelligences theory suggests various intellectual strengths. Linguistic intelligence involves language skills. Logical mathematical intelligence includes problem-solving abilities. Spatial intelligence involves visualization skills. Bodily kinesthetic intelligence uses physical abilities. Musical intelligence involves musical skills. Interpersonal intelligence is understanding others. Interpersonal intelligence involves self-awareness. Naturalistic intelligence is recognizing natural elements.